In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect Google Search Console to your hosting or website step by step. If you want your website to appear on Google search results, track how people find your site, and improve your SEO performance, connecting Google Search Console is one of the most important things you should do right after launching your website. The good news is that the process is actually very simple and only takes a few minutes to complete. By the end of this video, your website will be connected to Google Search Console, and you'll also learn how to submit your sitemap so Google can start indexing your pages faster. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple website tutorials just like this. Now, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is open your browser and go to Google Search Console. You can simply search for Google Search Console on Google or go directly to search.google.com/search-console. Once the page loads, click on the button that says Start Now. After that, sign in with the Google account that you want to use to manage your website. This should ideally be the same account you use for your website, business, or analytics tools, so everything stays organized in one place. After signing in, you'll arrive at the Google Search Console welcome screen where you can add your website as a property. To do this, click on Add Property. Google will then give you two options for adding your site. The first option is domain, and the second option is URL prefix. For hosting your websites, the easiest method is the URL prefix option, so go ahead and select URL prefix. Next, you'll need to enter your website address. Type the full URL of your website, including the HTTPS at the beginning. For example, you might enter something like https://yourdomain.com. Once you've entered your website URL, click Continue. Google will now attempt to verify that you actually own the website. In many cases, especially if your website is hosted on platforms like Hostinger, Google may automatically verify the website without requiring you to add any code or files. If that happens, you'll immediately be taken to the Google Search Console dashboard for your website. This means your site is already connected and verified successfully. However, if Google asks you for verification, it may provide options such as uploading an HTML file, adding a meta tag, or verifying through your hosting provider. Hostinger usually supports quick verification methods through your hosting dashboard, but in many situations, the automatic verification already completes the process for you. Once you are inside the Search Console dashboard, your website is officially connected to Google Search Console. But there is one more very important step that you should do right away, and that is submitting your sitemap. Submitting a sitemap helps Google discover and index all the pages on your website faster. This is extremely important for SEO because it tells Google exactly where your content is located. To submit your sitemap, look at the menu on the left side of the Search Console dashboard and click on the option called Sitemaps. Inside the Sitemap section, you'll see a field where you can add a new sitemap. In that field, simply type sitemap.xml. Most websites automatically generate the sitemap file, especially if you're using platforms like WordPress or modern website builders. After typing sitemap.xml, click the Submit button. Google will now process the sitemap and start crawling the pages of your website. This allows Google to discover your content and include it in search results much more efficiently. After submitting your sitemap, your setup is essentially complete and your website is now fully connected to Google Search Console. From this point forward, Search Console will begin collecting data about how your website performs on Google. Inside the dashboard, you'll be able to monitor search traffic, see the keywords people use to find your site, track how many pages are indexed, identify SEO issues, and analyze the performance of your pages and search results. This information is incredibly valuable because it helps you understand what content is working, what pages need improvement, and how users are discovering your website online. Over time, as Google collects more data, you'll start seeing detailed reports about impressions, clicks, rankings, and page performance. All of this helps you optimize your site and grow your organic traffic. And that's it. You now know how to connect Google Search Console to your hosting your website and submit your sitemap so Google can start indexing your pages. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more helpful website tutorials, SEO tips, and online tools that can help grow your website faster. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.